Hello and welcome to another Daily Dose of English. Today's Daily Dose of English is a request from Albert in Catalonia, Spain. Albert has written, and many thanks to you, Albert, for making the request. It's an excellent question and one that I'm sure many students are also unsure about. Unfortunately, maths was never my strong point. I've always been very good with English and always very bad with mathematics. However, if we avoid numbers and stick to the language, I should manage to explain this one reasonably well. From school I remember the basic symbols that most people are familiar with, even if we're not particularly good at manipulating them. The most basic of these are Let's start with the first one. This is the addition sign. We say it as plus or add. 1 plus 2, 4 add 9. The next one is the subtraction sign. We say it as minus or subtract or take. 1 minus 2. 13 subtract 12. 99 take 7. Then we have the multiplication sign. We say this as times or multiplied by. 3 times 8. 26 multiplied by 3. The next is the division sign. I discovered that this is also called the obolus. You can also show division as... We say this as divided by or over. 3 divided by 1. 10 divided by 5, 6 over 3. The last of the common symbols is the equals sign. We say this as equals or is equal to. Other symbols I remember from my school days are... So we can look at these too. This one is the square root. We say the square root of. The square root of 4 is equal to 2. This one is the percentage sign. We say percent. 100%. This one is pi. This is a mathematical constant which begins 3.141592,653 and apparently has no end. This is an irrational number. Apparently, though I've always been of the opinion that all numbers are irrational. People seem to be fascinated by pi for the reason that it has no end. The only thing I can remember about it is that the circumference of a circle equals pi times its diameter, or something like that. The next symbol is the degree symbol. We say degrees, 90 degrees. 360 degrees. Then we have the symbol for infinity. And that's about all I know about this one. Lastly, we have the plus-minus sign. We say plus or minus. 6 plus or minus 2. I've absolutely no idea why anyone would want to do this. But then again, I teach English. My dislike of mathematics stems from my teacher making me stay in class at playtime because I couldn't memorize my multiplication tables when I was about 7 years old. I'm 7 times 7 now, and I still don't know the multiplication tables by heart, and I still don't like mathematics. So I'm afraid that's the extent of my knowledge of mathematical symbols and the end of this Daily Dose of English. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again soon for another one. Goodbye for now.